Hi beautiful ladies, hi girls, Mona here from the Wig Fairy. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to package your wig if you're traveling with it. Number one to remember is always take your wig on a carry-on. Don't ever check your wig. You wouldn't check a diamond ring, you shouldn't be checking your wig in. So having said that, you're going to take your wig that is freshly styled or not if it's freshly washed. We have our caps here that are made out of satin inside, which is going to prevent the hair from staticking while you're traveling. You could use this even when you're not wearing your wig on a daily basis and you're wearing it every, once in a while and you don't want the wig to get dusty. You're just gonna open it up. You're going to take your beautiful Wig Fairy wig and you're going to start with the front, the top of your cap inside. And what you're gonna do if your wig is longer, you're gonna take the hair, you're gonna twirl it down just like that. So you're literally wrapping the hair into a U, putting the hair in there. One thing I wanted you to notice, I ended up putting the wig on its side. I did not put it on the bangs. I didn't put it on top, on the back of the head. I only put it on the side. The reason for that, when you put your wig on the side, you're not ruining your style and your bangs, and you're not gonna give yourself a flat head. So I'm gonna do it again. You're gonna take your wig, you're gonna put your bangs sideways, the top of the cap, and you're gonna take the tail and you're gonna put it to the side. And then, super easy, just tighten it, and voila, you're ready to go. So if you're traveling with it, it could go any direction and you're totally fine because again, you didn't put it on its back. But you always want to lay it this direction or this direction. You never want to lay it like this in your bag because what's going to happen is all that style is going to get smushed and you're not going to have a cute style. And that's the last thing we want. So you want to make sure you run it, rub it on its back and you're good to go.